In this guide, I'll show you how to get your destroyed cars back in GTA 5 Online. So, if it was a personal vehicle and you had insurance on it, then you will be able to get it back. All you have to do is simply open up your phone, and from here, you want to select contacts. Then, what you want to do is look for Moore's Mutual Insurance to make the car claim. And when you call this number, after a few seconds, if you have a look in the top left corner, you should be able to make a claim on your vehicle. So this was the vehicle that was destroyed in GTA 5 Online, so I'm going to select it. And it says your replacement vehicle can be found at Moore's Mutual Depot. Now, if you open up your map, it's kind of in the center. Now, you don't have to actually go there to pick it up. What you can do rather, if you have your mechanic and you've paid him, is all you have to do is go to contacts, and then you want to look for your mechanic and you can call him up. And then you just have to wait a couple seconds, and it should appear in the top left corner. And here you'll have the ability to find your car and you can request delivery. So I'm going to select it now. And if you wait a few seconds, it should spawn relatively close to where you are. So it looks like there's my vehicle right here pulling up. We're just going to have to run right on over. And there it is. So if this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.